In Kerala, we believe that continuance of policies and projects is of paramount importance in creating an investor-friendly ecosystem. Over the past 7 years, Huddle Global has become Kerala's gateway to the world, connecting our innovators with global investors, technology leaders, and emerging markets. It is not just an event, it is a bridge between ideas and opportunities. By breaking the barriers of formal conference rooms, Huddle Global fosters open discussions, creative thinking, and spontaneous partnerships, a model now recognized and appreciated across India. The vivid representation in large numbers reiterates the fact that this is indeed the largest startup festival in the country and the most coveted event in India's tech startup ecosystem. It is our pleasure and privilege to have you all here with us for these 3 days. The objective that we had set out for ourselves as part of the Kerala Startup Mission was pretty simple: create 15,000 startups by 2026. As of date, the statistics that put forth by the Government of India is very encouraging. We have 14,155 startups in the state, out of which 7,600 are approved by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. We have been able to bring in close to $1 billion in investment to these startups, which we are certain will grow significantly in the days to come. To empower the next phase of growth for startups, we are creating an emerging technology hub which will further strengthen critical sectors by creating world-class infrastructure, giving startups access to cutting-edge technological facilities, and pulling in investment from private sector.